Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best women's Miami Dolphins shirt on the market, the Junk Food Clothing x NFL Women's Team Spotlight Short Sleeve Fan Shirt. If you're a die-hard Dolphins fan or just someone who loves stylish, comfortable apparel, you won't want to miss this review. The first thing you'll notice about this shirt is its premium quality. Made from 100% cotton, this fan shirt delivers exceptional softness and breathability, perfect for those game days or casual outings. Whether you're at the stadium, hanging out with friends, or simply running errands, you'll appreciate the lightweight feel of this tee. Now, let's talk design. The Miami Dolphins shirt features a vibrant, full-color graphic logo prominently displayed on the center front. This design isn't just eye-catching, it's also built to last. Thanks to its durable print, you won't have to worry about fading or cracking after a few washes. And speaking of washing, it's machine washable, which means you can keep it looking fresh and clean without any hassle. What's fantastic about this shirt is how it combines functionality with fashion. The cut is designed specifically for women, offering a flattering fit that doesn't sacrifice comfort. The relaxed style means you can easily layer it under a jacket or wear it on its own. It's versatile enough to match with your favorite jeans or even a sporty skirt, giving you options for different looks. The Junk Food Clothing x NFL collection has gained a reputation for its vintage-inspired designs that resonate with fans. Each piece is crafted with a sense of nostalgia, celebrating the history of the teams while also fitting into modern fashion trends. This shirt captures that spirit beautifully, making it a must-have for any true Dolphins supporter. Another noteworthy aspect is its thoughtful construction. Not only is it made in the USA or imported with attention to detail, but it's also designed for comfort. The fabric is soft to the touch, ensuring that you can wear it all day without feeling restricted or uncomfortable. If you're looking for the perfect gift for the Miami Dolphins fan in your life, this shirt fits the bill. It's a practical choice that merges functionality with team pride, making it a great last-minute gift idea. Whether it's for a birthday, an anniversary, or just to show someone you care, gifting this shirt is sure to be a hit. To sum it up, the Junk Food Clothing x NFL Women's Team Spotlight Short Sleeve Fan Shirt isn't just a shirt, it's a statement. It's a way to show your love for the Miami Dolphins while looking stylish and feeling comfortable. With its quality fabric, durable design, and flattering fit, it's no wonder this shirt has made waves in the fan apparel world. So, if you're ready to elevate your game day wardrobe or just want a fantastic casual tee, head over to Amazon and grab yours today. Remember, it's officially licensed NFL apparel, so you can wear it proudly knowing you're supporting your team in style. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, keep repping your team with pride.